First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where the steering is, underneath the steering, there is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you will see the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo, there is a lever. Push the lever upwards and then lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press the lever upside and then lift up the hood. Once the hood is opened, right there is the headlight, and behind the headlight, these are the two locations for the bulbs. Notice there is that one bulb right there, and the other high beam bulb is right here. First, we'll take out the low beam bulb. All we have to do is just grab the plug and then turn it counterclockwise, and then pull it outwards. There it is. That is how we take out the plug along with the bulb. Notice the windshield reservoir is coming in the middle, but we can just leave it like that because we can still access the plug along with the bulb. Now to take out the bulb from the plug, notice there is that tab right there. All we have to do is just press and hold that tab and then pull the bulb outwards. So we are pressing and holding that tab right here, then pulling the bulb out. There it is. That is how we take out the bulb. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, just make sure to never touch the glass portion with bare hands because our hands have some sort of grease. And if we end up touching the glass portion, that grease will stay on the glass, and down the road while the bulb is heated up, it's going to burn the bulb, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. Now, suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, just make sure that the tap side of the bulb, which is right here, it should match with the tap side of the plug right there. So we'll go ahead and match both of those positions and then punch in the bulb in the plug. Just like that. Now we'll push the bulb down until we hear a clicking sound. There it is. That bulb is completely in and it's also not coming out. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the bulb back where we took it out from. We'll make sure the bulb is completely in first. There it is. Once it's completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. With that, we are done with the replacement of low beam bulb. Right here is where we took out the low beam bulb, and here is the high beam bulb that we are supposed to take out. The takeout process involves we grab the plug first, turn it counterclockwise, and then pull it outwards. There it is. That is how we take out the plug along with the bulb. Again, same process applies to take out the bulb. Press and hold this tab right there and then pull the bulb outwards. There we got the bulb taken out. Notice even for this bulb, we do not touch the glass portion with bare hands because of the grease staying there and burning the bulb down the road. My bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back, but suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, just make sure again one more time that this tap side of the bulb, it matches with the tap side of the plug right there. So we'll go ahead and punch both of them together and then press the bulb down until we hear a clicking sound. There it is. Now we'll go ahead and punch it back where we took it out from. We make sure the bulb is completely in first. There's the bulb completely in. Now we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There's the bulb completely in. Just making sure it's all the way turned and it's also not coming out. With that, we are done with the replacement of both headlight bulbs. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.